Hello, 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 and welcome back to my channel. My name is Gigi. If you're new here, what we do is glamorous stuff. We do glam things here. We mostly do nails, but occasionally we just chat. I mean, really occasionally. And I was thinking maybe we'd do a little bit of vlogging in the future. So if any of that sounds awesome, you know what to do. Clicky clicks. So what I'm doing now is painting some nails. We are coming in with a Modelones white, and then in two of them we're going to do black, also by Modelones. This set is very trendy right now. You're seeing it everywhere. I am obsessed with the trend. My daughter tagged me in the trend. I'm like, girl, I'm working on that. So this is my attempt at it. Everyone is pairing the trend nails with their own little accents. And so what we're gonna do today is the little, wow, words, guys. This is why I make videos, because I can speak words. So anyway, what we're gonna do is those chrome nails with the rainbow lines. And I have chosen 4 colors from the rainbow, and we are going to do it on a gold chrome. And that's what I've been seeing mostly, but I'm sure there is some other chrome colors out there that people are doing the rainbow on. Now, my rainbow is actually not going to be like just smooth, straight lines. I really wanted them to be a little different. So you'll see what I mean when we get there. Right now, I am just using, you have to put down a no wipe top coat, because that is what the chrome sticks to. The chrome we're using today is by Born Pretty. And I am just using a simple makeup brush, one of those little, triangle makeup brushes, and they were just cheap ones I bought at the 99-cent store, and they work really good to give you that nice shiny chrome effect. Now I'm coming in with some more top coat. We're doing that same no wipe top coat, and then we're going to cure that up, and then we will be able to go in with our lines. And you've got options with this, guys. You don't have to do it the way I'm doing it. You don't have to do it the way anybody else is doing it. You can really customize this to what makes you happy with the type of lines, with the colors that you use. I think this would be really good with like a fall sort of color scheme. So, and you could change out the color of the chrome too. You don't have to do gold. You could do silver or maybe pink and then do something on top of that. There's just, I think this is something that has endless possibilities. I kind of stick with the trend on this particular set, but I can see us revisiting this, and maybe something along winter sort of nails is kind of calling my name with this trend. So definitely stick around for future videos to see this trend repeated in a different way, right? And I don't want to say repeated, revisited. Revisited is the better word. Okay, so now those were the 4 colors, and the polish we're using for this is Beetles, because I have that little set and there's a lot of colors in there. And we are heading into fall, so I'm just, you know, spending this last little bit of time before fall with some brighter colors. Not that you can't do bright for fall. I was hearing that lime green is going to be a big color this fall, so that really interests me a lot. Now I'm coming in with my stripes, and this is what I'm saying. I decided to, instead of just straight full lines, I'm doing it thicker on one end and thinner at the other, and I am reversing it from one line to the next, so it's thicker at one end on one color and thicker on the other end on the other color, and almost giving it, especially on the second one, which you'll see in a second, almost giving it sort of a ripped paper vibe in the way that the edges are kind of wavy and fun. I just really wanted to do something a little different. Most of the trend on this one that I've been seeing is just very smooth straight lines, and that's beautiful as well. I just, I like to put a little twist on a trend. You got to make it your own. And now I think most people are probably using acrylic powder, but I don't actually have any. And I think I need to rectify that and make sure I get some fine acrylic powder for sugaring, especially with winter coming. We're going to be doing sweater nails. So I think I hear a trip to the nail shop soon. Maybe I hate to video in there if there's a lot of people, and usually there are people in there and it's a smaller shop, so I really don't want to bother other people with my videoing. So if I happen to walk in there and it's a very empty day, I'll ask if it's okay if I video so you guys can see the cute little shop I've been going to. It's so awesome. I love it a lot. This is the second nail, and you can see I get even a little more irregular with the lines. That's a better word, irregular. I just really, that look was speaking to me on the day I did this, and honestly, even as I watch it, I'm like, I really love that irregular border. It's very fresh, it's very flowy, and I just, it feels almost breezy to me. And it's still hot summer here. I could use a cool breeze. Maybe as wishful thinking in nail form. Anyway, guys, we are almost done with this particular nail, and then we are going to move on to the 3 white nails, where I have been seeing this particular look with unicorn nails. I've seen it with some galaxy nails. I decided that it would be super cute, and now what I'm doing is coming in with some transfer foil glue, and I have these very, very cute sheets that have hearts on them, and the nails themselves are green, and I really like green and gold together, so I thought that would be a really pretty combination. And the hearts are combined with clouds, so it's like everything looks like it's kind of floating. You see what I mean? It's just like this floating heart pattern, and so I thought it would look really pretty. And the colors themselves are super similar to the colors in the rainbow that we chose, so I think it came out pretty cute. And when I showed it to my daughter, she agreed. I was really kind of on the fence. I was like, I think this is cute, but is anybody else gonna think it's cute? And when my daughter saw it, she was like, oh, this is adorbs. So actually, I'm pretty sure she did not say adorbs. When she watches this video, she's going to go, Mom, I've never said adorbs once in my life. And I'm going to go, you're right. I'm sure you're right. And here I am, I'm making sure everything is as transferred as possible. Although you can always come back in with a little more foil glue and line up where it wasn't transferred correctly and add it back in. So don't worry. If you need to practice a little with the transfer foil, just practice, because it does take a little bit of finesse to get good at it. And I'm still in that getting good at it process. So if you're in that process too, don't sweat it. It's just transfer foil, and it's not even that expensive. So, I mean, it is if you buy it at a nail shop, guys. I'm not going to lie. That can be kind of pricey. But, go on Amazon or, some AliExpress something or whatever, and find something you like and order it. And then practice. Don't worry about it. You'll get it. Now, we do not need to top coat the sugared nails because, of course, the chrome was already top coated. So we're just going to come in and top coat our floating heart goodness. But look at how cute that green and gold go together. I think that's my favorite part of the combo. But it's such a cute little set. Let me know in the comment section, is this something that you would wear, or is it a little too far out for you? Is this something you'd wear on a fun day? It definitely, if you're wearing these nails, you maybe want your outfit to be a little more calm, because the nails are going to be the thing that gets all the attention when you're wearing this look. I absolutely love them. This is the finished set out of the lamp, and looking cute. I have to say, I think they're looking cute. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for coming by and spending some time with me today. It's so nice to connect with you after being sick for 2 full weeks. So I can't wait till Wednesday. Bye-bye.